What is up, guys? This is Nick, and a bit of a more informal video today, but it's a question I get asked a lot. About a year ago, I did a video about using the MyVegas apps on your phone or on the computer. There's like MyVegas Slots, MyVegas Blackjack, and there's other ones as well. And these apps have a partnership with MGM Rewards, and so they're a great way to earn comps, both with rooms and with food and drink and shows, etc. There's all kinds of different deals you can purchase on there with your loyalty points from playing these games. And I'll go ahead and link to that video. It's a full tutorial on how to use it and how it works. I'll put that in the description. But one question I get a lot on that video is, once I've redeemed my loyalty points from these slot games to buy a reward, if I can't end up using it, or my plans change, or there's a blackout date, something along those lines, how do I cancel or get a refund and get my loyalty points back in the app? And there is a way to do that, and so I just want to walk you through that right now. As you can see, this is I'm just logging in through myvegas.com, which is how you can play the slots and other games on the computer. So I'm playing on my desktop right now, but it's the easiest way to record this video and show you guys how to do this. So you can see that I've redeemed a couple rewards in the last year, so my balance is kind of low. I haven't played as much lately, but we're going to go down to the rewards section. And so once you're in the rewards section, you're going to see that you've got your different categories of rewards here, which you're probably aware of if you've redeemed any rewards in the past. And you'll see that you have a wallet here as well, and that's where your purchased rewards that have not yet been redeemed are going to be. So for the sake of this video, let me go ahead and just buy a reward that I can afford, which isn't that many at the moment, but let's say I want to buy a reward 2-for-1 roller coaster tickets for the New York roller coaster. It's 2,500 loyalty points. I can afford that, so I'm going to go ahead and buy this. It says the reward must be used by July 30th, so we're within that redemption window, obviously. So I am going to put in my information.
3 hours later.
All right, so I've purchased the roller coaster reward. So now I have a redemption code. It says I have 52 days to redeem this, and it gives me the option to view it in my wallet. So I'm going to do that. And you can see my reward that I just purchased is in here. So let's just say I go to Las Vegas in a couple weeks and I want to use this, but maybe the roller coaster's not running that day, or they're sold out, like they won't accept any more of the vouchers. And long story short, I can't use it. So what do I do? Well, as long as it's within the redemption window, so it's between now and July 30th, I can go ahead and do a refund on it. Now, if you wait till after the redemption window, it's then expired and you cannot do this. You will just lose your loyalty points. If you go and say it's a reward for like show tickets or a room reservation, and you go ahead and you take the code and you redeem it by booking online, reserving your room, reserving your show online, at that point you also cannot get your points back if you cancel. So it's very important to know that you can only do this if you have not yet redeemed this reward. So if we go look at the reward information, we scroll down, it's got all the details, it's got the refund policy. So the refund policy here does say purchase rewards are refundable prior to redemption for the loyalty point cost through the redemption period indicated, or through the last date of availability / expiration date indicated on the reward, whichever comes first. And it goes on to say after the reward has been redeemed, you'll be out those points if you cancel. So anyway, so we go to the bottom and there is a link that says cancel. So we're going to do that. It says, are you sure you want to cancel the reward? A full refund will be provided. You are only allowed 5 cancellations every 30 days. So that's another detail that doesn't show up in their terms of service, which I'll show you in a minute. But you are only allowed to cancel or refund a reward 5 times in the span of 30 days. So if you're super indecisive, this could be a problem. So make sure you choose wisely. you're only allowed 5 cancellations every 30 days. So I'm still going to cancel. It's canceling. There are no items in this section. So I've now canceled my rewards. There's nothing pending in here. It hasn't showed up yet in my refunded tab, but this is where it's going to show up. It's going to show my correct balance of 24,000, whatever it was up here. I think it was 24,900. And then it'll show up here, and that'll be it. I imagine it takes a certain amount of time for this to refresh. So, but it will be here. You can see I've purchased and then canceled 2 rewards in the past, and those are right here from before. If I click on it, it says cancel. This reward has been canceled and is no longer valid for redemption. You have been refunded for this purchase. So the roller coaster refund that I just purchased and then refunded will be here after a certain point of time. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I did want to reiterate one more time, there's terms down here, which has all the terms of service, and there is a section about reward cancellations and refunds. It says generally at any time during the redemption period, you may cancel your purchase of a reward for a full refund of the loyalty points used to purchase it. Once you have redeemed a reward, either through the online reservation system available through the service or otherwise, you may no longer cancel that reward and you will not receive a refund of your loyalty points. So there you have it. It says it right there in the terms of service. So just make sure that you don't redeem your reward until you're absolutely ready to do so. And the good news is that if you are not able to use it, or there's maybe a discrepancy with blackout dates or your plans change, there is a way to get your loyalty points back. So I know several of you asked that question. Thank you for doing so, because it gave me the idea to do this in order to help as many people out as possible. So I hope you guys are having fun playing this and getting some sweet rewards. I know I've used it on several occasions, and it is a great tool to be able to use to save some money when you're going to Las Vegas. So appreciate you guys joining me today, and I hope you have a great day. We'll see you guys in the next video.